Well, here it is, the finished product. I've got some serious man hours in this thing, probably 50, 55 man hours. I'm not the fastest carver in the world, but I'll take a video circling this thing around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 separate pieces. The head is carved separately, the fins, both front and back, and the tail, that's all carved separately. I did not insert the tail yet, so that's going to be glued on at the end. It was so tiny, I didn't want to break it as I was moving it around and positioning it. Kim, my wife, came up with the idea of the green for the kelp, or seagrass, or whatever you want to say it is, some type of sea vegetation. Neighbors had the stump. I cut this down the other day. Hey Stella, hey good girl, come here. And had to even reduce it even smaller, so because it was so heavy. And then I've got three giant dowels holding it up right now. It's not glued in, but this is going to a special place in Montana, Florence, Montana. So my weekend is going to be busy traveling and go visit folks and drop this bad boy off and off to the next projects. So hope you like it. I hope and yes, a lot of people were asking, I am selling these by the way. So if you want one this big, if you want one a little smaller, like the first ones I made, it's up to you. You're just gonna have to private message me, and then we'll work on a price. So, all right, let me take some video, and we'll circle around, and then I can load this up in the truck. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good.
Wow.